China has long been the world's manufacturing giant, its factories powering everything from smartphones to cars. But a seismic shift is now underway. Rising costs, geopolitical tensions, and global diversification efforts are prompting companies to look elsewhere. The world is no longer putting all its eggs in one basket. These 10 Asian nations are stepping up, and they're not just replacing China, they're reshaping global trade. Let's explore the new faces of the global supply chain. 1. Vietnam. Vietnam is rapidly becoming the top alternative to China. With low labor costs, strong infrastructure, and trade deals like the EU-Vietnam Free Trade Agreement, the country has become a magnet for tech and textile manufacturers. Giants like Samsung, Apple, and Nike have already expanded operations here. Vietnam's government is pushing hard to modernize logistics and education, setting it up as a long-term industrial hub. 2. India. With a massive workforce and a booming tech industry, India is more than ready to absorb trade shifts. Apple is already producing iPhones in India, and Tesla is eyeing the country for future expansion. The government's Make in India initiative is fueling a manufacturing renaissance. Combined with a thriving service economy, India is poised to become both the factory and the back office of the world. 3. Indonesia. Indonesia is the sleeping giant of Southeast Asia. As the fourth most populous country and a key source of critical minerals like nickel, it's attracting global attention. The government is pushing for downstream processing, encouraging companies to build not just mines, but full industrial supply chains. With massive infrastructure investments, Indonesia could become a key node in global manufacturing. 4. Bangladesh. Best known for its ready-made garments, Bangladesh is quietly expanding into other sectors like electronics and light engineering. The country offers one of the lowest labor costs in the world, and its garment exports are second only to China. Trade deals and improved port facilities are accelerating its emergence as a serious competitor in low-cost manufacturing. 5. Thailand. Thailand's industrial base is well established, particularly in automotive and electronics. It's part of major trade pacts like RCEP and has strong transport links to neighboring countries. With a stable investment environment and government incentives, Thailand is becoming a preferred destination for companies shifting out of China. 6. Philippines. While best known for its service sector, the Philippines is emerging as a player in semiconductor assembly and electronics. Its strategic location and English-speaking workforce make it ideal for high-skill outsourcing and manufacturing. With increased foreign investment and government support for industrial zones, the Philippines is climbing the value chain. 7. Malaysia. Malaysia offers political stability, modern ports, and a highly educated workforce. It's a key player in electronics and medical devices, and its participation in trade blocs like the CPTPP makes it attractive for companies seeking access to multiple markets. Malaysia is already benefiting from supply chain diversification out of China. 8. Cambodia. Cambodia is one of the fastest-growing economies in Asia. With low production costs and duty-free access to Western markets, it has become a hub for garments and footwear. Chinese companies themselves are relocating factories to Cambodia to avoid tariffs, accelerating its role in the new trade map. 9. Sri Lanka. Despite recent economic challenges, Sri Lanka's strategic position on the Indian Ocean shipping lanes makes it an attractive logistics hub. With improvements in governance and investment in port infrastructure, Sri Lanka could become a vital link between Asia, Africa, and Europe. 10. Uzbekistan. Often overlooked, Uzbekistan is positioning itself as Central Asia's industrial gateway. Reforms have opened the country to foreign investment, and its location offers a vital link between China and Europe via the Belt and Road. With natural resources and a young population, Uzbekistan is a rising player in the Silk Road 2.0 economy. The global economy is rebalancing. As China shifts toward high-tech and domestic consumption, these Asian nations are rising fast, fueling factories, building ports, and welcoming billions in investment. For global companies, this isn't just a workaround, it's a golden opportunity. A new Asia is being built, and the map of global trade will never look the same again. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world's economic transformation.